हेलो एवरीबॉडी, माय नेम इज चंदन सिंह। सो गाइज, ये जो सेल्फ स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस है उसका ये सेकंड डे। देखते हैं गाइज। फर्स्ट में आपने देख लिया होगा कि मैंने अपने आप से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछे थे और जवाब दिया था। आज भी मैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस लाया हूं और उसका मैं जवाब दूंगा। आप घर पे इसको जरूर अभ्यास करें। चलिए, तो पहला सवाल है कि व्हाट सब्जेक्ट डू यू लाइक मोस्ट? सी, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट, डेफिनेटली आई लाइक इंग्लिश द मोस्ट, and I would say that apart from English, I sometimes read history as well because I would like to know about that area. That's the reason history is one of my favorites. Okay, but English is the favorite subject that I read every day, that I teach every day. So English is the main subject. Who is your favorite teacher? These days I am not a student, so I don't have a teacher. But when I was in class 10th, that time there was a teacher, his name was S. Panda, and he was from Odisha. So we would always call him Panda sir, Panda sir, Panda sir. Okay. So what unique thing I liked about Panda sir? See, earlier, before Panda sir came, there used to be very different teaching system. How different? Any literature teacher who came to our class, so that teacher would read one sentence and translate into English. Let me say about a chapter named A Letter to God. So if the sentence is written that Lencho became sad, so he would read the sentence Lencho became sad and translate into English Lencho udas ho gaya. It was going on. When Panda sir came, he read the entire passage. Then he would put the book on the table and he would start speaking in English, but in very easy English, so that we could understand everything. It was his style of narrating the story without using any Hindi word. Seeing that, I gravitated towards him, and since then, he has been my favorite. Though I don't have any access to him, yet I am speaking about him, it means he is my favorite. So his style attracted me. Well, what is difficult about, okay, what do you like about your school or job? What do you like about your school or job? See, I cannot say what I like about my school because I'm not a student, I don't go to school. But I can talk about my job, what I like about my job. See, as far as my job is concerned, you know that I have to teach online students. So the very first thing I like about my job is that I can communicate with many people who are from different backgrounds. They have different culture, they have different languages. So I always interact with them. They have different designations. Some are software engineers, some are advocates, some are police officers, some are housewives. So I talk to them, I crack some jokes as well, and I have got a good bonding with them. So this is what I like about my job. I get to talk to many people every day. So I like it. Okay. What is difficult about your studies or job? What is difficult about my job? Let's talk about job only. The difficult thing is that sometimes some students, they come thinking that they would learn English within 45 days or 3 months fluently. As a matter of fact, this is not the fact. This is not true. You cannot be fluent within 3 months if you don't know anything. Yeah, if you already know a lot of things, then 3 months practice is sufficient. You can learn a lot, but nobody can give you a particular certificate stating that yes, you can be fluent within 3 months. Nobody can give you the certificate because it cannot be done. It's not possible. It all depends on how much you already know. So some students ask me questions. Sir, when will I become fluent, sir? So when you ask this question to any person about when you will become fluent or something, nobody can answer you, you know. So this is what I find little difficult to, you know, make them understand. I would like to tell them the truth, that please don't get into clutch of those people who are ready to deceive you anytime and take your money. So this is kind of difficult thing, I would say. Again, what do you want to be in the future? See, this is such a question of which answer is going to be given by me, but some people might not digest this. Everybody knows that I am a teacher. I teach students, I teach grammar, this and that. But very few of you might know that I am into acting as well. I have come to Mumbai with a purpose. So that purpose is, of course, to get closer and closer to acting. So this is what I want to be in my future. I said that some of the people might not digest because they would think, he's a teacher, why is into acting and all. But passion is passion. It all depends what you are fascinated about. Well, are you a good student or a good worker? See, let me tell you, if I am a student, of course I can be a good student. And when I was a student, I was a good student. How I can be a good student? Let me explain it to you. Suppose you are my teacher and you are teaching 10 people, 20 people, and I am one of them. So now what I feel, that I have to do so much hard work so that you can put me in A plus group. So I can say that I can be a good student. I, get into the things until I get satisfied. I forget about eating food or going somewhere. So if I am a student, I would always like to be the number one. This is how I am. Anyways. Okay. What was your favorite subject in school? See, in school, as a matter of fact, I did not like any subject. Though my English was okay, but in school it was like, okay, you're studying, you're learning your question answers, teachers are coming asking. So somehow I did what other people, other students did. But my English was always good, so I can say that yeah, English has always been my favorite. Have you ever done group work or teamwork? I don't think so. I haven't done any group work or teamwork. Yeah. Do you prefer working alone or in a group? See, the very first thing, I would like to work alone. If I'm working in a group, so I don't want to be dominated by others. If there is a friendly environment, you are ready to listen to me, listen to my point of view, you are letting me put forth what I feel, then I'm okay. If there is a guy who is dominating, who is imposing all the orders and other things, so I definitely feel little awkward and feel little fish out of water. This is the thing. What would be your dream job? Of course, I would like to go for my acting. I would like to make anything related to acting. It could be short film, it could be big film, it could be anything related to acting, and I would like to perform there. So this is what my dream job is. Okay, what kind of music do you like? See, if you talk about music, first of all, let me tell you what I don't like. I never like if there is any noisy music, a lot of noise. I like some songs, and those songs have lovely music. Old songs, such as ओ फिर की वाली तू कल फिर आना, or something like that, or गोरे रंग पे न इतना गुमान कर, something like that. So old songs are always liked by me. So mild music, I like mild music, not so much fast beat, or not so much dancing music, mild music. What's your favorite movie? Favorite movie? See, I have watched Drishyam many times. I liked that movie. I have watched Raid, Ajay Devgan, you know, maybe 2 3 times. So I have liked that movie also. Or I have watched Allu Arjun DJ movie 2 3 times. So these are my favorite movies because I have watched them multiple times because of the story, because of the characters. They have attracted me. Who is your favorite actor? See, favorite actor, I like to watch Sunny Deol. Sunny Deol's movie. I would like to watch Ajay Devgan's movie. You know, and Allu Arjun. I like Allu Arjun a lot. So these are my favorite actors. What sports do you enjoy? I don't enjoy any sport. I'm not into any sport. I might like dance only, but not cricket or football or anything. I'm not interested. Do you like reading books? No, I don't like reading books. Which type of food do you like? Do you dislike? I dislike junk food. I don't like eating momos, burger, pizza, or this thing. I simply like normal homemade food, dal bhat, bhujia chokha. That's it. Do you like cooking? I like cooking. Yeah, of course. Sometimes I feel like cooking, so I cook. What do you do in your free time? In my free time, I lie down and listen to music, listen to old songs, not only music. Do you enjoy going out? Going out means I don't like traveling a lot, but if my family is going somewhere, so I enjoy going there. I would like to visit new places, but I never like 30 hours traveling by train, or 27 hours traveling by train. So this is some little kind of boring for me. What is something you cannot live without? These days I cannot live without internet. That's required. Well guys, thank you very much everybody. So you saw that I asked some questions to myself and I answered all the questions. So this is what you can also do. आप भी ऐसा कर सकते हैं. इसको बोलते हैं सेल्फ प्रैक्टिस, और ये सेकेंड डे है, 30 डेज का प्रोग्राम ही चलता रहेगा ताकि आपको कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखने को मिलेगा. मैं जो क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहा हूँ, आप ही उन क्वेश्चंस को सोच करके मुझे पॉज करके आप खुद भी आंसर कर सकते हैं. ये एक अच्छा प्रैक्टिस है. यही क्वेश्चन आपसे कोई और पूछेगा, समझो कि मैं ही आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ. अगर आप कहीं से पार्टनर लाओगे तो पार्टनर क्या करेगा? कुछ पूछेगा ही ना आपसे, पूछेगा, आप जवाब दोगे. मुझे ही पार्टनर बना लीजिए, मेरे वीडियो को देखिए, जो मैं सवाल कर रहा हूँ उसका आंसर आप भी दीजिए. समथिंग इज बेटर देन नथिंग. और धीरे 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 आप वहां तक पहुंच जाएंगे. एक दिन में नहीं कर सकते. चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीबॉडी. वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा. थैंक यू.